This is the WUBEN X4. Beautiful little EDC flashlight. This has a clip here. Okay, it's got a roller wheel, which we'll talk about in a minute. It's got a selector switch here. All right. You have a magnet, so this will stick to something magnetic. You got an instant on, instant off button here at the top. You have also another button here as well. And this is the front of the light, extremely bright, 1500 lumens. All right, so we're gonna get right into it. Also, you have a button here to get your battery in and out. So the first setting I wanna show you is, oh, and you also can charge it with USB-C here. First, there's 4 settings here. So the first setting is Moonlight setting. So with that one, I can use either button, right? The button on the back or the button here to turn on Moonlight setting. Okay, this is like the lowest setting. It'll last forever, like days and days and days. Now, if I move it to the next setting, so if I just move it up, right? Now I'm on the front mode. So you can see that there, the little icon there, okay? So if I click this, it's instant on, instant off, right? Off the back, really nice, right? 1500 lumens, extremely bright. I can also use the side one, the side button here. So if I click the side button and then I use this roller, right? This roller, it'll basically dim it, go higher and lower. So it works really, really cool. Again, extremely, extremely bright. Like look how bright that is. All right. Next setting we have is the side light setting. So it has a light on the side. So if I go up one more, sorry, if I go up one more, I'm now in the side setting. Now in the side setting, this back button still activates the front, but then this button activates the side. Right? So now you have a light on the side. So you can lay this down like a lantern, right? And you can use this dial, again, to turn it up and turn it down. So really neat. Now, if I want to, I can also click this off and I can click it twice, 1, 2. And I have this kind of like beacon, right? This would be something if you'd put next to your car if you were stranded, right? The last setting that you see here is locked. So now if it's locked, it doesn't work. So very, very nice light. It's got some good weight to it. So it feels real sturdy in your hand. It feels really nice. I have a bunch of these WUBEN lights. This one is the best ones by far. This one works the best. It's pretty easy to understand. You know, a lot of these you have to like, you know, stand on one leg, click this button 3 times, click this one, and then it does something. Like this one is pretty straightforward. You know, if you want the front light, you click that and it's on, right? If you want the front light and then you want to increase it or decrease it, I really enjoy the dial. That makes it just so much simpler. The other ones you hold in and then it goes up and, you know, this one, they really simplified it. So this is the light. Very nice. It just feels good in your hand. There's the clip. Alexa, turn off the lights. Okay, we'll maybe do a little bit of a front light here. You can see how bright that is. All right. This is the WUBEN X4. It also comes with a lanyard, right? So you can hang it. That's the box. Highly recommend. My favorite WUBEN light up to this point.